Valencia is famous for its golden beaches, stunning architecture, and being the birthplace of paella. But its food scene goes far beyond one iconic dish. From Michelin-recognized restaurants to charming local favorites, the city offers unforgettable dining experiences that combines fresh Mediterranean ingredients with centuries of culinary tradition. In this video, we are counting down 5 restaurants in Valencia that truly live up to every euro you spend. Stay until the end because our final recommendation is one of city's most celebrated fine dining destinations. So let's begin. First is Casa Carmela. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Just step from Malvarosa Beach, Casa Carmela has been serving authentic Valencian cuisine for more than a century. This restaurant is famous for preparing traditional wood-fired paella using locally sourced ingredients and recipes that have been passed down through generations. The relaxed atmosphere and seaside location make every meal feels like authentic taste of Valencia. One interesting fact is that Casa Carmela still cooks many of its famous paellas over traditional orange wood fires, preserving a cooking technique that has been used for generations. Customer favorites include Valencian paella, seafood paella, and grilled octopus. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A travel tip I'll give you: reserve your table for lunch since authentic paella is traditionally enjoyed during the afternoon. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Karak. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Every dish combines artistic presentation with fresh seasonal ingredients, creating a modern dining experience that surprises guests from the first course to dessert. The intimate setting make it ideal for food lovers seeking something beyond traditional Spanish cuisine. House specialties include seasonal tasting menu, Iberian pork, and creative desserts. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A local tip I'll give you: choose the tasting menu to experience the chef's most creative dishes. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is La Salita. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. La Salita has earned international recognition for its innovative Mediterranean cuisine under chef Begona Rodrigo. If I'm pronouncing his name wrong, please forgive me. Every plate highlights local produce while adding modern technique that transforms familiar flavors into something extraordinary. Elegant interiors and attentive service create a memorable fine dining experience. One interesting fact is that chef Begona Rodrigo became the first woman from Valencia to earn a Michelin star for her restaurant, helping place the city on the international culinary map. Chef's recommendations include seasonal tasting menu, red prawn, and signature desserts. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A visitor tip I'll give you: reservations are often booked weeks in advance, especially during weekends. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Restaurant Navarro. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Family owned for decades, Restaurant Navarro is one of Valencia's most trusted places for authentic Spanish cooking. Friendly services, generous portions, and consistently excellent seafood have made it a favorite among both locals and visitors. The warm atmosphere make everyone feel welcome from the moment they arrive. Popular dishes include seafood paella, garlic shrimp, and grilled sea bass. So the average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. An insider tip I'll give you: arrive slightly before peak lunch hours to enjoy a more relaxed dining experience. So let's move on to our next and final destination. It is Lienzo. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. It is one of Valencia's finest Michelin-recognized restaurant. The restaurant celebrates sustainable cooking by using locally sourced ingredients, premium Valencian produce, and even honey harvested from native bees. Every course reflects both creativity and respect for the region's culinary tradition. One interesting fact is that this restaurant has received international recognition for promoting sustainable gastronomy while supporting local beekeeping and regional farmers. Signature favorites are honey glazed duck, seasonal seafood, and artisan pastries. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A quick tip I'll give you: opt for the tasting menu if you want to experience the restaurant's full range of seasonal flavors. So these were the 5 restaurants in Valencia worth every euro. Whether you are searching for authentic wood-fired paella, Michelin-starred creativity, and unforgettable Mediterranean flavors, Valencia offers incredible restaurant for every food lover. Which restaurant would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing places to eat and see around the world. Thank you so much for watching.